You think you know the story of May 2025's India-Pakistan clash, but beneath the headlines lies a tale of precision defense, asymmetric innovation, and silent diplomacy that allowed Pakistan to claim a strategic victory despite the absence of a formal treaty. On the night of May 7th, India unleashed Operation Sindoor, sending Rafale fighters and BrahMos missiles across the border to strike militant camps, only to find Pakistan's air defenses roaring to life, Patriot and HQ-9 batteries downing multiple warplanes, while electronic warfare detachments jammed drone control frequencies and shot down over 70 loitering munitions, turning India's precision doctrine on its head. As the guns boomed along the line of control, Islamabad's Operation Bunyan-un-Marsus struck back at Sirsa and Adampur airbases with surgical missile barrages, carefully avoiding civilian areas even as New Delhi decried unprovoked aggression. Behind the scenes, back-channel talks and an urgent hotline between the two Directors General of Military Operations paved the way for the fragile ceasefire that took effect on May 10th. An outcome Pakistan's leaders hailed as proof of their restraint and resolve. Meanwhile, a masterful media campaign released time-stamped images of intercepted debris and evidence of India's misfires, capturing global sympathy and redefining the narrative from aggression to deterrence. Civilians, once trapped in the crossfire of shut-down markets and shuttered schools, breathed easier as the front line fell silent, knowing that Pakistan had defended its skies, protected its people, and shaped the diplomatic aftermath without ceding an inch. Analysts call the result a stalemate. Pakistan's blend of high-tech countermeasures, disciplined response, and deft negotiation reads like a victory in Islamabad's playbook and raises a chilling question for South Asia's future. When nuclear-armed neighbors clash, can strategic deftness and narrative mastery become the true measure of triumph?